Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's start eating.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body Benz. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably do it again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have some turkey with some all kind of something on the sandwich today. We have sandwiches today.
Yeah, tell them your sandwich first with your pork on it.
Whatever.
Yeah.
My sandwich has American cheese, mayo. It has salami. It has cracked peppermint turkey and honey turkey, jalapeno, lettuce, and tomato with a little bit of salt and pepper. What does your sandwich have?
Can't tell you, because you make it enough.
I put pork in here.
Yeah, put a pork, I'm doing a pork look.
His sandwich has honey turkey and cracked peppermint turkey with the same thing. Lettuce, tomato, jalapeno, salt and pepper, mayo. And I put some of the Thousand Island dressing on there. And I'm going to put some on mine, but I want to taste it first. I'm going to put some on the side and see if I like it first instead of committing to the whole thing. But yeah. You don't care.
I don't care now. From me can't go in my stomach, you know.
But before we dig in, I know you're hungry, honey, but before we dig in, I want to show them my outfit of the day.
Show them when I come. Show them when I come. Man.
Okay.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap. Yeah.
We're back.
Okay, he took it out of my mouth. Okay, we're back. We're going to dig in, and I hope you liked my outfit of the day. I want to try this guacamole. Oh, we have some chips, and we have some guacamole.
Yeah, I want to try the guacamole.
Can they see? It's going to...
Right, it's good.
Good.
Yeah, I want to try the guacamole, yeah. So everybody kill themselves over.
It's good.
What, avocado?
Avocado, salt and pepper.
Not really fancy, but yeah, go on.
I like the spicy one.
Okay. First lady.
Oh, this one will fall apart, mine.
Okay, I cut you, I forgot you know something can't buy something so.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's nice. I'm going to cut it for you.
Please do that.
You want me to cut one first?
Yeah, one first, man. Do one first. Alright.
Okay.
Good to go.
I'm going to cut my sandwich also. It's hard to eat a sandwich whole like that because it gets everywhere. Okay.
You can't get into it. I know. Ooh, sorry. Sorry, family. I know it's going to get on my beard.
What? The food? Fix it.
Good.
Oh, that's good. That's how it looks inside. You guys can see it. I think it's so... Turn this down. Guys, this is the real... You're viewing the real stuff in live action.
Live
and in color. Sometimes the light is so bright you can't even see. Can you guys see that?
Oh, right there.
That's my sandwich. And you see the pork.
I see the big pork in there. Wow. Damn. So peanut the beard, you know.
Sure, that's how you had it. Yeah, today we didn't feel like cooking, so I just made some sandwich. I didn't videotape how to make a sandwich because, I mean, it's just a sandwich.
Yeah. The lettuce crunchy, you know?
It's crunchy. The lemon is sweet for real.
Lettuce is sweet, man. Come let kill one, kill people have sugar there.
You gotta add some water to the lemonade. It's a little bit too sweet. That's what happens when you drink a lot of water and you eat something. Well, you eat something, drink something that's too sweet.
I thought if you want ice and you say no want ice.
No, I don't like ice. When I have ice in my soda, I have to have a straw. If I just drink it just like that, I feel like I'm choking on the ice. Because the ice is preventing me from drinking.
Wow. That dressing tastes good on it.
Good
choice.
I gotta try it.
Good choice. On my beard. I don't know what. Try some more guacamole.
You already tried it already.
I blend it with the sandwich.
I would Dutch this gold sandwich.
Oh, yeah. Right. Maybe that was greedy. Being greedy.
Yeah, tastes good.
Sandwich tastes good. You make some good sandwich too.
Thank you. This camera was acting up earlier today. It was pissing us off. And when you're hungry,
More video?
I was gonna say forget this video. Because when you're hungry and something is not going right, or if you're annoyed and something is not going right, it's like you just like forget it. I don't want to do it.
But it worked out though.
But it did work out. I was patient. I was persistent.
You sure what?
It worked out.
Sandwich nicely. Not lying. See? I'm not missing nothing with the pork triangle.
Oh, you are? I can't get it.
Okay, there you go. Are you gonna get it?
The pork is good.
No pork. I want to see about the try.
Pork.
Pork one is good.
You try it?
You can have your pork sandwich. My one tastes just as fine. What make boar's head meat?
Boar's head. I think everyone has boar's head. Boar's head is all over the United States. I don't know about other places. Yeah. California, New York. Boar's head is everywhere.
I like these chips. They come in like Doritos because they're already salty and tasty.
These chips, you don't even need a dip.
No.
You eat sauce also.
Yeah, because it's nice and it's decent and crunchy. Yeah.
And it has nice saltiness to it.
Hear the crunch. Hear the crunch?
I hear the crunch. My bread.
I'm their bread. Falling apart?
That means it's good.
Right.
I mean, there's just enough mayo. Because if you have I don't like dry sandwich.
Yeah, because you know how we love our sandwich. We love our sandwich like how we love a sandwich. It's coming like gravy. Gotta have mayo.
Gotta have mayo. Gotta have extra mayo.
Mayo.
Or honey mustard. But just a little bit of mayo. If the sandwich is too dry, like you're choking.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you gotta have that mayo in it, girl.
Like watching him eat.
Oh, what now?
And he's like, Why are you watching me in the video?
Yeah.
And I said to my husband, I said, well, you don't know that I'm watching you when you're eating at the table because you're so focused on your food. Now that you're watching yourself on the video, you can see me looking at you.
All I see you at this. What the hell you looking at? Shit, have a food by your side. Don't my plate.
I'm saying to myself,
watching me, yo.
I'm saying to myself,
We can eat.
He's enjoying that food.
Always enjoy the food. Always. I'm never gonna lie. I enjoy every bit of it.
I couldn't wait to come home and eat with this sandwich.
Why do you think I love coming eat with you over here?
It was yesterday when I thought about it because I was like, ooh, I want to try that sauce.
Yeah,
on a sandwich.
it's really good.
And today I was like, let me make a sandwich.
That's a good sauce.
It came out good.
Really nice one, not like.
Beer look good?
We should tie you up. Yep. You forgot you like this sauce, but I think this sauce is wicked now.
I like it.
Wow. Good job as always. Certified. You certified in my book. Stop falling. Stop upon me, eh? Always watching me eat my food. God damn it. What do you say? You know I'm enjoying my food?
I know you enjoy it. You gotta have jalapeno on the sandwich.
Got to.
Have to.
This sandwich right here lit, son. Lit?
Lit.
Lit. Hey, they pour some of the mines already?
Taste it? No more?
Drop some right here, I could dip. Please.
Of course.
Dip. Oi, my gosh.
You have a next piece.
I say you do the jerk sauce and then you can give me some sauce.
And I gave you. Yo. Tomorrow.
It's going down. Oh.
It's going down in a hizzo. I hope
We haven't made a connect there, no.
make sure it work out. Can't fall through, no. I don't really promise people them something
After you,
spectacular.
go chat out your mouth to people them and tell you stop chat your business.
I gotta come through because it will.
All I know, I got my own personal chef.
So do I.
Good. We're
So do
even.
I.
Yep.
So do I.
They can cook, you know?
Sometimes.
Wow. Sandwich no mayonnaise. Beer. You see me should I wrap you up, you know? I know some should wrap up like a Taliban, you know? What you know, what you eat. You love what you eat.
Enjoy the view.
That's always, I sure enjoy that view.
So what did you guys make today? Or is it like a laid back day like ours?
I know you make curry goat. I just saw that video, I know you made curry goat.
That goat was banging.
I know you're gonna try it.
I mean, I would. I watch a lot of other mukbangers and
Me
I
too.
try.
You know why I try that? Right in my belly. Me try it. See me? Lemon you can't drink though, but you're too sweet, man.
Hey, lemonade is good. Just need some, yeah. You have to put water on it.
Too sweet. Like they look like their hand gets stuck when they show the sugar in there. My girl, stop what? Joe. Eat the food, man, and stop watching, man.
I am.
You can't make me come down 2 seconds before, you know?
That's what I'm looking at. Everything I'm staring at you for. Because in my mind, I'm saying this guy really finished 2 sandwiches before
And I tell you, if you get the longest bread them up, you know?
I already bought it. I had already bought it when you told me
Yeah.
that. Because I filled it up. Got you.
Giant, biggie.
You need a Cuban.
Mm-hmm.
A Cuban is the size of this thing right here. He would eat it too now?
Yeah, much than a human, man.
Mm-hmm. He would eat it.
Because if we put the two sandwiches together, one giant, no? What's up?
Well, you can put your feet.
Mm-hmm. Can't stretch.
That's what I'm saying. You sit in a restaurant where you can stretch. And you put nothing back in the freaking camera.
More stretch, I just don't foot.
Sure.
Mm-hmm. Camera run, man. I can't believe you let me come beat them two sandwiches before you.
Yep. I take my time and eat. I don't know who you racing with. Nobody's gonna take your food.
Food me I race with.
Nobody's gonna take it.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
That's how this guy eats all the time. He be eating like somebody's going. You know when you have like 8 brothers and sisters, and you and a harpy eat your food before they come and eat it. That's how he be acting, and he's the only one. So what's the problem?
You know the problem is?
Oh.
You should have put pork by your side, no?
I'm gonna eat this.
Family. That's why she watch me, you know. What? I see you, that boy, you're crazy, you're freak.
I don't know what to say. No, cause you enjoy your food. That's good.
I sure do.
You do.
I enjoy every bit of it.
Wow.
I take time, I wait for you, make a ketchup. Go on, man. I don't know. So you have a, what you call it again? Guacamole. Yankee food is my own. Guacamole.
Yankee Monday.
Yankee Monday. People go crazy for this.
Guacamole.
Wow, was it? Yeah, I'm going to go.
I think I'm full.
You would? I'm not. I don't think I got more. See there?
I can't even see it. We gotta fix this thing all over again.
You can see it.
It was perfect the other day. Now it's acting up.
I can't keep, man.
Whew. I was thirsty too.
Oh, no. And the juice sweet to make it worse.
Yeah, that's true.
Can't put two sweet things together. You sweet and the juice sweet. You can't do it together.
Too much sweet.
Too much sweetness,
That's
man.
That's the problem.
Extra sweet, man.
I'm glad you figured it out.
Too sweet. That's a bad combination. Get my juice fresh, coming fresh. Man, I enjoy my food. Always. If I say I don't enjoy my food, first lady, I'd be lying. Trust me. Like you come around this, go watch me. Watch the camera and stop watching me, man. Me do my things.
I'm sorry, it's a
Damn,
habit.
no?
It's a habit.
Go watch me in my phone. I'm going to rush on 2-7 for you.
I'm finished. I have cheese left. I ate this sandwich.
Family. All she do come sit around here to come watch me, you know. Come watch me eat. You know I don't play around with food. Take one more guacamole.
Guacamole.
Can I give it to your Yankee dad, Yankee son? Can I give it
To me.
It was good again.
Whew.
As always. Right? It was good. I knew it was good. What you looking at?
Oh my
I
gosh.
see you.
Oh, Lord Jesus Christ. Oh God.
You're full.
Yes.
Good.
All right, family.
We're gonna walk later.
We're gonna go walk.
We can do some laps here. Watch me go.
Family, I am stuffed. Oh, excuse me.
Good food.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch us. You guys have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow for an epic video.
Epic. Hope so you got you know.
You don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss it.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Bye.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body Benz.